Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making an herbed Parmesan Dutch baby. Oh yes. Do you remember when I've made a Dutch baby before? I've made a sweet one. I made a savory one. This is also a savory one, but feel free to throw in whatever you have in your refrigerator. The recipe calls for thyme and chives. Do you have other herbs in your refrigerator? Use them up. Chop them, throw them in. Do you not want to use Parmesan cheese and use something else? Do that. This recipe is flexible, and that is the beauty of it. It comes together so quickly, has a custardy-like finish in the middle with some crunchy Parmesan cheese on top. That's right. The cheese is not mixed in. It goes on top. So it comes out like a beautiful egg custardy souffle with that crunchy topping. It is going to be so good. I'm also making it because, well, it gives me the opportunity to make up these lyrics. We've made a version once or twice before, and it was so good. All we wanted was so much more. Dutch baby galore. You can serve it with a salad or without a salad or with a meat or without a meat or with a bread or without a bread. The choice is up to you. Yes, you. First things first, preheat your oven to a hot 425 degrees. Second thing you want to do, get a cast iron pan ready to go. It does all the work for us today. No mixer needed. Flour, salt, pepper, whisk together, eggs, add milk to it, whisk until just combined, thyme, chives, stir together. Add the eggs in and mix until combined. Add your butter to your cast iron pan and stick it in the oven. You could do this on top of your stove, but you know what? Your oven's on, it's ready. Let's just do it in the oven. You want the butter to smell nutty. Going to take a few minutes, but you're looking for that nutty smell to come because the butter is getting brown. But you don't want it too brown, just a little bit brown. So you will see here the butter has started to turn. It definitely smells nutty and delicious. Get it out of the oven or off the stove. Go to the next step. Pour your batter into your pan. Scatter with all your Parmesan cheese. And some flaky sea salt. Into the oven it goes. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Your herbed Dutch baby should be nice and puffed and golden brown, but do you want a more custardy interior? Take it out sooner. Do you want it to be as puffed as it can be? Then let it stay in a little longer. And so in that 20 to 25 minute range. Holy cow, take a look at this. Oh my goodness. Woo! This really deserves a woo, because look at this. Just imagine at your next brunch dinner by yourself. This is incredible. You can serve this right away. That's the beauty of a Dutch baby, because you want to eat it warm. I mean, come on, look at this. Seriously, look at this height. Look at all that cheese. And you know what? It slides right out of the pan so that you can cut whatever type of slices you want. For yourself, for friends, for family, for yourself. Yes. All right, let's take a bite. Yum! It is custardy and soft in the middle. But you taste those herbs come through of the thyme and the chives, and then you've got that luscious Parmesan cheese on top. This is a winner. Winner, winner, Dutch baby for dinner. If I can make this herbed Parmesan Dutch baby for the very first time, even though I've made other Dutch babies, but not this recipe, you can too. Add in whatever you like. Put in what other herbs you have, whatever cheese you have. Make it yours. And you know what? It is going to be fantastic and it will puff up just like this one did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check me out on Instagram, and keep sending those recipe requests. Thanks for sending this one.